Hi friends, welcome to my storytelling world. I am Nunay and I am here to take you on a magical adventure, fun journey and exciting story. So get ready to listen, imagine and enjoy. In a big forest, there lived a little bird named Mickey. Mickey had small wings, but he was afraid to fly. His mother said, Mickey, you must try to fly. Don't be scared. But Mickey replied, what if I fall, Mom? One day a strong wind blew, shaking their nest. Mickey slipped and fell out of the nest. Scared, he spread his wings and to his surprise he started flying. Mickey realized I was scared for no reason. I just need to try. Moral of the story is you can achieve anything if you overcome your fear and try. Thank you for listening to my story today. If you like it, don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share it with a friend. See you in the next story. Bye for now.